guys, so today we're gonna make Thai sweet chili chicken. So the main ingredient that we'll need here is about 1 kilogram of chicken, marinated with 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Right, so you marinate them 1 hour to overnight time. It's okay. And here we have some roasted sesame seeds for garnishing. And here we have 2 cups of Thai sweet chili sauce, and here we have 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, and here we have about 10 garlic cloves that we have minced finely, and here we have 200 milliliter of water. Okay, so let's get to the cooking. Okay, so here we have about 2 tablespoons of oil heated up, and next we're gonna fry our garlic. Okay, so now we can insert our garlic, give it a good stir, make sure they don't burn. Alright, next thing to insert is our red chili flakes. Give it a good stir. So this we will stir fry for about 1 minute until the garlics are slightly brown. Okay, so once the garlic has started to brown, now we can insert our Thai sweet chili sauce. So just pour them all in, adding this 200 milliliter of water. Give it a good stir. Okay, so we'll just let this gravy here, this Thai sweet chili gravy here, to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes time. So meanwhile, we'll just rinse this off and pour it back into the pan so that we do not waste. Okay, so now we can see that our gravy is thickened already. Okay, so now is the time we insert our chicken. So here's our chicken. Pour them all in, give them a good stir, make sure that the gravy coats each and one of the chicken. Okay, and so now it's done, so we can just turn off the stove and let it soak for a bit more, like about 1 minute time, before we serve them with some rice.